Hey, all you people out in YouTube land. Today we're gonna take a quick look at Grateful Dead, Dave's Picks Volume 45, brand new CD. Got two full concerts from October of 1977. And let's go ahead and get this open so we can take a closer look. Yeah. It sure is satisfying to remove this shrink wrap and open the brand new product. Let's a quick look on the inside. The fold outs and the CDs. I'll go ahead and get the manual out here and take a look at the insert. See what we have. There's a picture of Jerry and some writing, some text, a couple pictures of some text, and then there's the tracks, and 4 CD set, folded up. There you go. Thanks for watching.